Hello and welcome to Berthon UK in Lymington. Today I will be showing you over EMARIS2, our windy 48 Triton. She came to us in 2020 in the latter part of the year, wrapped in a blue hull. We since then have stripped her back to her original colour and cut back and polished, and she's looking really good at the moment. All anodes were replaced, legs and engines were serviced, all in November 2019. She's currently powered by Volvo Penta 600 IPS on pod drives. Here we're just looking at the hydraulic bathing platform. Just to the stern here, looking back on those pods. Great stability, great movements whilst manoeuvring in marinas, and great handling. Just giving you a closer look into them on these dual props. Anti-foul was done in November 2019 too, finished in this jet racing black. She really looks good. Just set off with this white polished hull. All the stainless steel in really great condition. There are no major stresses or anything in the GRP. She's really presenting lovely. Just coming back round to the bow. You can see the real deep V that she sat on, real pedigree for a windy. Okay, here we are to the stern of EMARIS2. On the back here you can see a tender. She's a 2016 Cabrio alu-RIB. Powered by a 4-stroke Yamaha outboard. Outboard's 2016 and the rib is also 2016. She has a retractable binomy that's currently out, giving just a shade whilst you're on the stern seating area. Just down below we have a hot and cold deck shower. Just walk across, plenty of space at the back here. You have a passarelle just tucked away nicely in there, and just your shore power above. Again, teak towards the stern is in really great condition. You've got another stainless steel gate here and more teak just leading up to the side decks. You've got these lovely stainless steel glass doors here which slide right back. Just leading up on the starboard side. Lovely stainless steel grab rails. Lots of room when walking down and putting fenders on, etc. Radar and searchlight up there, all-ray marine and the track data. You've just got this large sunroof that's electrically pulled back as well. Again, teak all round side decks. The Lumar windlass here with chain locker just to the port side. With another remote, an extra chain on the left there. Another great locker for storage with an extra anchor. There's great space here for a sun pad, more big enough for 2 people with stainless steel cup holders. Again, just look at this large sunroof. Fantastic on a great day whilst cruising along. More stainless steel grab rails, plenty of room as you come down. This is the track vision. Again, you've got some storage underneath the seating at the back here. Just a couple of fenders and some warps in there at the moment. All cushions are down below. And just into the lazarette here. Again, great storage everywhere. And you've got a life raft there, suitable for 12 people. A permanent fixed binami. As mentioned, you've got these lovely chunky stainless steel doors that slide right back. Lots of natural light coming into this cockpit. All in fantastic condition. Again, teak in here, really nicely presented. So just down here we have all our cut-off battery switches. A bit more storage with fire extinguisher. An ice maker, which is isotherm. Just all your controls down to the starboard side there. Lovely sink and a griddle. All neatly tucked away with this easy operated hatch. Just down here you've got a switch panel. Again, presenting lovely. And just your Cummins Onan generator controls and your Eberspacher heating. Just looking round at this L-shaped seating area, more than enough suitable for 6 seated up here. Just going down below, that's the engine hatch down here. Lovely table, still in great condition. That also folds over. And you've got a good couple of cup holders in the middle there. Just going to go back and show you the engine room. All lifts up really easily. And here we have, just to the starboard side there, the generator, which is a Cummins, and a pair of 600 IPS Volvo Pentas. Lots of space down here, really nicely lit up as well. You can see everything's all very tidy, and more importantly gets to everything too. It just folds back down really neatly and the cushion comes back. Just moving over to here, we've got a chest fridge, again isotherm. All the controls, TV and passarelle and garage. Over to the helm. You've got electrically motorised step here for when the roof is open. You go to your hybrid touch Ray Marines. Just going to show you this step. Slides back really easily and neatly. Just slide this roof back by a flick of a button. Great movement on the motor as well. Close this with ease. Just showing your hours there. It's at 179. And all your gauges. Still in great working order. So you've got a Volvo Penta joystick here for manoeuvring and the IPS whilst you're in marinas. You've got your bow thruster. Trim tabs, just some other switches down there and your cut-offs. Electrically motorized windows. So move down below. Got these 4 lovely teak steps leading down to this light oak finish. And again, a half moon wraparound seating area. Very bright and airy in here and a lovely place to be. 26-inch Samsung flat screen on the wall. You also have a Bose full surround sound in here. Another table that flips over and a couple of stools underneath for when you have those extra guests. So you've got a satellite skybox in there, all linked up with the track vision. Again, DVD player. Showing those easily operated blinds, all in great working order. Another chest isotherm. You've got a cooker and a 4-hob. Up here an extraction fan. Again, more storage. Cups, glassware. We've got a working dishwasher down here. Just moving back round. a bit more storage for glassware and bottles. Just going to have a first look at one of the cabins. Carpet in great condition, woodwork again, finished in this light oak. Same blinds throughout, all on luxurious sprung mattresses. Great natural light coming through. Move into the second guest accommodation. This time is a twin. Again on sprung mattresses, finished in a light oak. A couple of reading lights just to the back there. No staining, just in lovely condition, really well looked after. Just leading into your day heads and your guest accommodation heads. Just triple mirror. Electric heads, sink and separate shower. Again, just showing you the Bose surround sounds there. Moving into the master, situated at the bow of the boat. And natural light coming in from that porthole. Great storage. We've got a marine air conditioning system throughout the boat and in the cabins, and an Erbesbacher heating system. These are just the hanging lockers either side, identical to the other side. Got a hi-fi system in here. And also again another 26-inch Samsung flat screen on the wall. More great storage down there. I'm just moving into the ensuite. Very similar to the guests and day heads. You've got a separate shower here. Great headroom. Nice large mirror with storage behind. Electrics heads and separate sink unit. Well, thanks for listening, and please do get in touch with the motor team for more details on EMARIS2.